We are at the Havasupai Caverns Campground Inn, and we're trying to figure out how to pack our stuff. I packed it about 3 different ways, and none of it seemed like it worked well, so I'm gonna try again. My tent is the longest part of it, so I'm gonna stick that kind of, it's also the heaviest.
How big a pack do you have?
I have a 65 liter Osprey. So,
Show me your tag.
it's upside down.
Havasupai Falls.
Havasupai, yep. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put something else that's kind of heavy at the bottom, kind of build it up here in the middle. I'm going to put my air mattress in, and then the cans, these are kind of heavy. I don't know if I need 1 or 2, but better safe than sorry, right? The jet boil's pretty light, but the bear bag's kind of heavy. So I'm going to slide that in here kind of opposite the tent. And then kind of around all these things, I'm going to just stuff the food. I don't know if this is going to work because I got to fit my sleeping bag in here too, but we only need 6 meals, 3 breakfasts and 3 suppers. So hopefully, and we probably have too many snacks packed, at least I do. This is like...
Oh, what was that you just touched?
Wait, what?
You can't forget that one thing.
The toilet paper?
Yes.
Yeah, we were told to bring our own toilet paper because the tribe doesn't always like replace as quickly as they sometimes are needed to. So anyways, I just bought a bunch of stuff. Protein bars, protein balls, trail mix, jerky. Again, it's probably way too much, but I'm going to throw it in on top here. And maybe I'll put on this pack and I'll decide this is way too heavy and say forget it. That might just happen. This is my coffee.
Ooh, let me
I have
see.
the jet boil that, yeah, it's just the powder. I have the jet boil that is the coffee maker. So
Coffee
this is
is
coming.
Coffee is only for Carrie.
It's coming with me. So that has to go in here for sure.
Carrie's bringing coffee.
So, yeah, I don't know how that sleeping bag's going in here.
Okay, let's see.
I think it's gonna go.
Sleeping bag or
And
snacks?
my bag.
Sleeping bag or snacks?
I feel like I'm gonna have to take it all, yeah, because I've got a whole lot of room here at the bottom that isn't used.
Oh, you got stuff.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to repack this. This could take a while.
Oh, you look cute.
Feels very back heavy. I hope we get a bunch of comments at the end that says, hey, you should have done this, this, and this. And I'd be like, yeah, I would have loved to talk to you, like, you know, a month ago or whatever.
All right, turn around. 360.
It's not that bad.
Okay.
It doesn't feel all that bad. Okay, Angie, you're next.
Okay, so I have a 50-liter backpack, and this is like a sleeping bag cover-up, and I put my sleeping bag in last, my sleeping pad, and I think I'm going to stick in, I'm taking the fuel, right?
Yep.
I have some more, these pants, swimsuit, a couple long sleeve shirts, and pack it up on the sides. Shirt, shorts, a couple towels, and we're doing wool socks, toilet paper. These are my emergency blankets. If it's really cold, I'm just gonna wrap up in these. And a couple. I will have a spare bag. That would stuff this bad boy down. And I'm gonna bring the jet boil because Carrie's bringing the tent. You know, tent's what, 5 pounds, and this is
Point, I think,
0.5.
oh, yeah, 13 ounces, I think.
I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm just gonna do these snacks and a couple 3 meals, and I'm making sure we have enough hot chocolate.
Oh, gosh, can't run out of that.
Oh, and then also I have a couple chairs, and then this chair can get set up with my hiking sticks. So, and then I'm gonna have, this is my front pack. I'm gonna have my GoPro and my batteries and my snacks, my breakfast. It's all set up for tomorrow.